Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix a Volkswagen Passat electric window. Before diving into the door, let's start with some basic diagnostics. First, locate your fuse box and inspect the fuses for the power windows. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. Then, test the window switch itself. Sometimes, the switch is the culprit, and a simple replacement can solve the issue. Listen carefully when you press the switch. Hearing the motor indicates a different problem than complete silence. These initial steps save a lot of time. Now that we've done our initial checks, it's time to access the window mechanism. Begin by carefully removing any trim pieces that hide screws on the door panel. You'll typically find screws behind the door handle, armrest, or under decorative caps. Once all fasteners are removed, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame. Be patient to avoid breaking clips. Finally, disconnect all electrical connectors, like those for the window switch, to fully free the panel. With the door panel off, you can now see the window regulator and motor. Carefully inspect the regulator for any signs of damage, such as frayed cables or broken plastic guides, which are very common failure points. You can also test the window motor directly by applying 12 volts to its terminals to see if it operates. If either component is faulty, unbolt the entire assembly from the door frame. Then, install your new regulator and motor, making sure all mounting points align perfectly before tightening the bolts. You're almost done. Before fully reattaching the door panel, reconnect all electrical connectors, especially the one for the window switch. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to test the window's operation. Make sure it moves smoothly up and down without any binding. Once satisfied, align the door panel clips with their slots on the door frame and firmly press the panel back into place. Finally, secure all screws and reattach any trim pieces you removed earlier, giving your Passat a complete and functional window.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.